Hi guys, welcome once again. So setting up the lesson plan is going to be a very small video. It is more or less the same thing as we discussed in implementation, but this is how a course is actually designed. So all of you must be wondering then why setting up lesson plan is there when we have already implemented. Okay, it's just the set procedure that you first of all design, set up the objective design, and then implement that, and then set up the learning plan, the lesson plan. Okay, just a few things will be incorporated in this. Rest of the things are almost the same. So we'll do it very quickly. Okay. Define the learning objectives. That's what we always do. Revisit your entire course and the whole learning objectives. Assess learner's need. Okay. Now this is where it gets different. Okay. So assess the needs of the learner, assess the needs, assess and see what is the proficiency level of each individual. And can there be any specific need of any individual or any learner? This could include conducting a pre-course assessment or survey. So that is how you set up a learning plan, like need analysis. Okay, so this is about need analysis. Okay, so in a need analysis, when you did that, then you will decide that, all right, this is what their proficiency level is. So I need to start from the basic, or I can go ahead and start the lesson from one step ahead. Determine the course duration. Now, this is what setting up the lesson plan is. So you've implemented that, but you need to just decide that each lesson, each plan, each topic is going to be for how long, according to the whole duration of the course. If you've been given 15 days, you can't afford to have a lesson plan worth 20 days. Okay. So decide on the overall duration of the course, and then per topic, how much time that you need to devote. Break down the learning modules. So learning modules can be language skill. Like one module is language skills. So you're going to teach them language skills. That is the name of the module. Now break that down into topics or the chapters. Like how would you teach them language skills? Common errors in grammar, homophones. Okay, at times that's the major mistake. Common errors that they make. Okay, tenses error. How else you can teach them language skills depends on the need analysis that you did, what is required. Okay, according to that, break down the learning modules and then set learning milestones. Set learning milestones is the same thing, that what exactly are they going to learn after each module. So this language skill is going to tell them the common errors that they make in grammar while speaking or while writing also. Also, this module is going to make them enable with a lot of good vocabulary, okay, in terms of their business usage. Okay, select learning materials. Now, again, you need to select your materials. That are you going to teach them with articles, theory? Do you need textbooks? Okay, stationery as well when it is needed. Okay, design lesson plans. Then this is how a lesson plan is designed. Okay, learning objectives, materials, methods and activities, assessment criteria, and then homework assignment. This all should be included in your lesson plan, and incorporate different teaching methods. Of course, with one teaching method, you can't just achieve all of it. So you need to keep on, at times you will lecture and they will listen. At times there will be group discussions. At times you will give them certain quizzes, at times certain different activities. Okay. So just keep on changing your teaching methods. Promote. So what teaching method is going to teach them what lesson? Promote active learning. Encourage learners to actively participate in discussions. Okay, you will always find when discussion is going on, there will be one or two students who would always sit aside and they would just listen and they would not participate. You need to encourage them specifically. Allocate time for practice. Practice time should always be separate. Provide feedback and assessments. We've discussed this a lot. Culture and business etiquette. You can incorporate culture and business etiquette as well in your lesson plan, which is not a part of speaking or writing probably, but because it is business learning or business English, they should also know some etiquette, which may not be a part of their specific business, like report creation or presentation and all, but how to dress up, how to your body language, how to initiate any conversation when you are in any business meeting. Okay, that should also be a part of it. Like be a complete business person. Flexible learning paths. This is what, again, the same thing, the adjustments in your learning. So it should be flexible. Homework and self-study. If you really think, most of the time, these individuals do not get time to self-study because they're working already. Okay, they are working professionals. But in case there is anyone who is struggling with something and you want to give them homework or self-study for, tell them always the reason that if you'll do this, this is going to sort out this problem that you're facing. Okay, and give them some self-study resources as well. Okay, and self-study resources can be given to anyone, by the way. Okay, apart from what we are studying in the class. Regular progress check is needed. Review and adapt. Continuously review the effectiveness of the plan and accordingly adapt. This is called adjustment. If you need to adjust something, you need to maybe give one chapter a little more time, give that. You need to include certain chapter, please do that. And then final certification will happen, and post-course support. Post-course support includes resources to help learners continue to develop. So you've finished everything, course is over 15 days. Provide them certain study material that they can always refer to, give them certain templates of emails, presentations, certain phrases, sheet, certain Excel sheet with the phrases that they can always look up to. This will always keep on, their continue learning should be there after the course also gets over, because in 15-20 days, nobody can be a complete professional. So they need further support as well, and you can't be available all the time. Okay, now we will learn managing the logistics.